Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? You know, when I thought about making a video on this topic, it actually took me back to my college days. जहां पे मैं तुम्हें बता नहीं सकता कि कितने लोगों ने मेरे को आके बोला, अरे एक तो मैं आपको बता दूं व्हाट ही सेड, भाई निरेक, अगर मैं आपके जैसा होता ना तो पता नहीं मैं क्या कर देता। मैंने भाई तू क्या कर देता? अरे भाई मैं बता नहीं सकता। इफ आई वॉज यू, मैं तेरे को बता नहीं सकता तू मैं क्या कर रहा होता। मैंने भाई तू क्या कर देता? द कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज कि तब वो बंदा, आई न्यू ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट गर्ल्स, कि भाई मैं होता तो मैं पता नहीं कितनी लड़कियों के साथ घूम रहा होता, ये कर रहा होता, वो कर रहा होता। अरे ब्रो, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग यू वांट। इसमें तू मेरी जगह क्या है? एंड द थिंग इज दैट यू डोंट हैव टू बी मी, यू कैन डू इट। एंड जब भी मेरे से इतने सारे लोग आके बोलते हैं ना कि यू नो भाई यार, I just can't get a girl and I just know how to talk to her, I just don't know what to say, this and that. I just look at their faces and I'm like, bro, I cannot tell you how much potential you have. But the thing is that here I'm not trying to be a men's coach or something like that. I'm just speaking what my heart says. The only reason you're not getting girls is because your only focus is on getting girls. I don't give a fuck if a girl I'm texting with doesn't reply to me or if she ignores me. I have things to do. I need to be a better man. I have responsibilities. I have work to do. I have so much to learn. I focus on my thing. That is why I get better and better and better. If a girl doesn't text me back, I'm not double texting them. I'm just on my shit. मैं बस अपना काम करता हूँ भाई. I just focus on improving myself. Everything that everything that I am responsible for, my only focus is on that. And trust me guys, मैं वहाँ पे रह चुका हूँ. I've been the guy, जो भी तुम सारे हो. I've been desperate. I've been clingy. I've been sticky. मैं बार बार डबल टेक्सटिंग, ट्रिपल टेक्सटिंग. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मेरी बात मान लो, कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. You are only wasting your time, right? I want you guys to kindly learn from my mistakes because I learn from other people's mistakes as well. ठीक है? The only reason you're not getting girls because you're too desperate for a woman's attention. This is the line you will hear from many people on the internet, but this is actually true. I've applied this into my life and I've seen the changes. Trust me, you're not going to stop if you start one time. But you know, this line is, I don't know how to put it. Let's say this is too vague to understand, right? So let me put it in a more clear way. Suno. Now because I'm so cool, please let me explain it in a much more simpler way. We're going to go step by step. Oh, this video is going to be so good for the guys actually. And for the girls. I don't know if you have certain choices. So, जो बंदे पहले से ही good looking है, जो अच्छे दिखते हैं, guys, you're gonna get girls anyway. So this video is not for you guys because तुम थोड़ा सा भी effort डालोगे, you can pull the game, you can get the results only on the basis of your looks. That's okay. So go, Ash. But इस वीडियो में हमारा focus है to cater to the other side of guys जिनको लगता है कि that they're not that good looking, उनकी हाइट इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. What's the third point? Maybe they're insecure. Any of that shit. It could be anything. And trust me guys, I've been there. I know how does it feel. So I'm gonna tell you how you can be better. So the first step is to identify your style and to groom yourself. मैं तुम्हें बता नहीं सकता मेरे कितने दोस्त हैं who don't look that good, but they still manage to pull the game out. Why? Because bro, here कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप कैसे दिखते हो. मेरे सामने कोई बंदा होता था ना, ब्रो निरेक यार यू तो लुक गुड, बट आई डोंट नो, यू कैन गेट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, यू कैन गेट दिस, यू कैन गेट दैट. भाई मैं उसकी शक्ल देखता हूँ एंड आई जस्ट आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द टर्म फॉर दैट, बट मैं बस अपने दिमाग में उस बंदे के फेशियल कैसे चेंज हो सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अगर जो इसका भी करंट हेयर स्टाइल है ये कुछ और होता, अगर मैं इसकी जगह कुछ और हेयर स्टाइल डाल दूं तो विल ही लुक गुड. इफ he had more beard than he is having right now, will he look better? Do experimentations like this on yourself. Try different hairstyles, try different grooming styles on yourself. Do you look better clean shaved, or do you look better with beard? Do you look better with a certain hairstyle, or do you look better with the other hairstyle? Experiment करो, कैसे भी दिखते हो. If you think that you are 3 out of 10, I assure you, by doing this, you will be at least 4 or 5. आगे का और बताता हूं, और सुनो. The second thing you need to focus on is your dressing sense. Many people will be like, भाई यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है, क्या पहनूं, अच्छा तो नहीं दिखता, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है यार, मेरे पास वैसे भी कोई नहीं आ रहा, मैं कुछ भी पहन लूंगा. Guys, first impression is the last impression. Even if you think कि तुम इतने अच्छे नहीं दिखते हो, तुम बहुत गंदे दिखते हो, तुम्हारे पे you don't have certain facial characteristics, I assure you, तुम जैसे भी दिखते हो, if you choose the right color combinations, if you focus on getting better at dressing yourself and what do you show to other people, girls love that thing. Girls will always appreciate you when you're wearing good clothes. Doesn't matter how you look, get a little bit of grooming, wear good clothes. That's super important. You will be amazed how people turn their eyes around you. Guys, this is super important. Many people mistake one thing about dressing better, which is उनको लगता है कि जो भी लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड चल रहा है ना, I'll just follow it. No. तुमको पता होना चाहिए what type of clothes suits you. So just to make it much more simple for you, I'll suggest you some color combinations. Please apply it to your dressing sense. These color combinations have given me results. बहुत अच्छे results मिले. And although मुझे इसके लिए तुमसे फीस चार्ज करनी चाहिए, but कोई बात नहीं, because I'm so cool, I'll tell you for free. Listen, the first one is to wear something creamy. नहीं पता cream colors क्या होते हैं? Just go on to fucking Google and type cream colors and you'll know what cream colors are. You can combine this with something, what should I say? Something dark to your lower body. You can also wear something light, but that depends on you if you can pull it off or not. कुछ नहीं पता, इतना दिमाग में लगाना. Simple. I'll tell you 2 things. 2 colors gifted to us by God, black and white. Just wear black, just wear white, you'll sort it. Just try new combinations, guys. I cannot tell you just wear this, just wear that. No. Try on different combinations. Go to a fucking clothing store and try out different combinations. You know what suits you the most. And just cling to it. So the third point is physical fitness. This is super important. So many people underestimate this point, but you cannot. The point here is, when you put on some muscles, you instantly look attractive. Why? Because it's not about going to that gym bro and all of that fucking cult. I don't know, I just never followed that. It's fucking so boring. But the point is, if you go to gym, the clothes you wear will fit you better. You will look more confident. Why? Because your posture, your body posture will get good, will improve. एक और फायदा बताऊं जिम जाने का. जो बंदा जिम जाता है ना, over a period of time, तुम देखोगे, they start loving themselves. You will start loving yourself because तुम अपनी बॉडी का ख्याल रख रहे हो. You're eating good, so your body is reacting positively to whatever changes you've made to your life. All right. So the most important thing I'm going to tell you guys, which is confidence. Confidence when you're approaching a girl. Confidence when you tell a girl that you like her. Confidence outside of girls. Confidence in your ability. Confidence in your own self. Confidence का मतलब ये नहीं है कि यार मेरे को सब आता है और मैं सब सही कर रहा हूँ. No. That is arrogance. Confidence का मतलब है कि यार हाँ, I can be wrong. I'm also learning. I can be wrong. I can fail. That's not a problem. But I have the guts to get back up and move on. That's confidence. Alright, so the focus of this video was on very basic things, right? But yeah, there are more levels to this game. सो अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं इस टॉपिक पे और डिटेल्ड वीडियोस बनाऊं, तो प्लीज let me know in the comments. Why? Because trust me, this is just the start. There are more levels to the game. We all know it. But not many people know all the details, right? Very few of them know all the details. That's why they're successful in the dating scene. Please try to make changes in your lifestyle on the basis of the things I mentioned, or also you can follow these principles or not follow these principles. It's up to you guys. But if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please share it with the friends who may need it. तब तक के लिए bye bye.